This is one of our 347 425 horsepower small block Fords. Just did some dyno pulls, doing a valve train inspection. It's got scorpion roller rockers. It's got the Edelbrock cylinder heads on it. We do all the valve work, guide work. Does a bull bun job here in house. It's got custom Dyno pistons, tool steel rings. Got an eagle bottom end in it. This has got a rear sump pan. It's going on a Bronco. Edelbrock Air Gap on top of it. It's got a hydraulic roller cam, custom ground by Comp for us. Good little torquey motors. Go ahead and button her back up, make some more pulls.